It's such a unique project. It sets the precedent for every other potash decommissioning project in Saskatchewan.
It was the first fully engineered and designed decommissioning of a potash mine in Saskatchewan. It was done on the first potash mine that was sunk in Saskatchewan, so it was about 60 years old.
The mines had been operating as producing mines, hoisting very large tonnages of potash to surface. It was time for them to become decommissioned mines as newer mines were coming online.
The ultimate goal of the shaft decommissioning project was to prevent the migration of brine up the K1 and K2 shafts. That was the ultimate goal, environmental protection of superficial aquifers.
Both the shafts are unique shafts. They both required individual designs and plans.
What it involved was installing two custom designed concrete plugs approximately 1,200 feet below surface. The mine is approximately 3,200 feet below surface, so it's about halfway down. The intent of the plugs was to mimic the geotechnical strata at that minus 1,200 foot level and essentially try to put the shafts back to the original condition prior to us starting mining. Hatch was involved from a kind of engineering coordination standpoint. They were the glue that held everybody together.
The success of the project and the amount of effort and the engineering that went up front played a big part in how the project played out in the end.
Respec were the geotechnical engineer of record, and they worked with engineering experts, especially custom concrete and the grouting system that was required to properly seal up the shafts.
The hydrogeology of the mine system at K1 and K2 is very complex, and it was the major driving force for the design requirements.
Tyson Mining started this project in 2017.
Our role was to design how to install these concrete plugs into the mine shafts. By installing these plugs safely and successfully, we're able to let the public know that challenges like this can be tackled and they can be overcome.
To me, the success was, obviously executing the project a year ahead of schedule. Incredibly proud of that. It was under budget. Ultimately, we did achieve our goal, and that's what I'm most proud of. Protecting the environment was number one on this project.
We really were one team that helped to make this project a success.
It was enjoyable to work with all the different companies that we got to work with on this project.
Working with others, working with the disciplines, it was very rewarding to see it all come together.
Often we dwell on one or two little minor mishaps that might occur on a project, and rarely do we actually celebrate success. So I was really happy when I heard that this project was nominated, and even more when we actually won the award. We're just taking a few minutes to look back and reflect on the good job that everybody did.
Congratulations on the completion of a safe and successful Mosaic K1 and K2 shaft decommissioning project.